First of all, my name is Nur Farhadila. People call me Farah, and I am one of the technical team here in acadsystems. So for today's free online lesson, I'm going to teach about 2D drawing turns to 3D drawing. So without further ado, we can just straight away start this lesson by if you see from the screen, this is the AutoCAD screen. All right. First of all, the 2D drawing is the normal one lah. The circle, the rectangle here, and we draw 2D drawing at here, drafting and annotation workspace. So to change to 3D workspace, you just have to click here and choose the 3D modeling menu here. Or if you don't find your option here, you can go to the setting button here. You just have to click and then choose 3D modeling here. When you click, so the ribbon will be changed like here, like this. All right. So basically, these are all the 2D drawing that I just draw. I show you. This is from isometric view. Okay. I'm going to teach you about the basic of 3D modeling, which include extrude, press pull, revolve, and then we have thicken, sweep, loft. We also have union, subtract, intersect, fillet edge, chamfer edge, and extrude faces. All right. So for extrude, when you have the 2D drawing, you can just use extrude here at solid, and then just press extrude button here, and then you must click the line. You cannot click inside of the line. So you click line, and then enter, and specify the height. Just key in the number, the value, or can just click like this. All right, same for other shape. Just click extrude here, select object, and enter, just like this. This is all right, extrude this polygon, enter, and yep, same way. For press pull, it basically has the same function as extrude, which when I click press pull here, but the method is a bit different, where for extrude, you click the lines, but for press pull, you click the boundary inside of the shape like this. You don't have to click precisely on the lines. So just click here and then go upward like this. So the difference between extrude and press pull is press pull has something that extrude cannot do, which if you see the 2D drawing like this, a rectangle and there's a circle inside, when I use press pull, it will be like this. When I click here, I go upward, and you can see it create hole inside the box. But for extrude, it cannot be like press pull. And I click extrude and click the lines here, enter. So it will just create a box without a hole, right? So that's the difference between extrude and press pull. Next, we can go to revolve. So revolve is you have the when you have the 2D drawing, and you can revolve within the axis line that you decide. Okay, let's say I click revolve here, and then it asks us to select objects or revolve. Okay, so I click this object. This one is the one that I want to revolve. All right, enter. Then specify axis start point. So this is the axis that I decided to choose. Okay, And then to create revolve, that means you can revolve it to angle that you want. Hold on, admit, welcome. All right, so for this one, I want to revolve it for the whole angle. That means 360. Just enter the circle, the angle that you want, and press enter. So this is the kind of a dumbbell. All right, so that's about revolve. We also have loft. So loft can do a So loft is here at when you drop down the sweep option here, you can find loft. Just click, and so loft, if you have the 2D drawing like this, the method is just like this one. Okay, like this. Okay, it will create a 3D parts like this. Enter. All right. You can also change the arrangement of choosing the shape here. Just now I choose this one first, and then the second one is this circle, and then the third one is this circle. But when you choose you change the arrangement, you can, for example, you can do like this. This is the first, and then second is here. The third one is here. You see, the shape will become different. So different arrangement, that means different shape. It will have different result. So let's proceed to sweep. All right. Okay, for sweep, as long as you have path and you have the shape that you want to sweep, you can just click sweep button here, and then select objects to sweep. That means I choose this object to sweep, and then enter. Now select sweep path. This is Helix. It's not just for Helix. It's any lines that you draw, you can choose it as a path too. All right, so just select this one as a sweep path. All right, so it will automatically become like this. All right, so it's very simple. Okay, let's proceed to Thicken. Okay, as for Thicken, we can just apply Thicken to a planar surface. We cannot, that means people might ask, what's the difference between Thicken and Extrude and press pull? So Thicken is, you want to apply thickness on a planar. So you just have to go here, Thicken, and then select surface, the Thicken, enter. Now specify the thickness. So let's say I will just enter 50. So that is the thickness that I will put. All right. All right. Other things that we have in 3D modeling is union. Here I have two boxes, this one and this one. For union, as you can see, when I move my cursor onto the first box, it will select only one box. And if I move to here, it will select this box only. But when we union to this, all these two boxes, just click union here and then select object, enter. So when you move your cursor, that means when you want to select that object like this, it will choose both the one that you already union. All right. And then for subtract, when you click subtract here, I select this one and then enter first and select this one, enter. So it will subtract the second object that you choose. So it depends on what box you choose first. So let's say I choose this one first, enter, and then choose this one, enter. So it will subtract like this. So it depends on your desired result. Right, for intersection, the result will be the one that intersected only. It's like this. When you click intersect and then select this object, enter, select this object, enter. Enter. Oh, you have to select both and then enter like this. So these are the parts that intersected. So that one is the result when you use intersect. All right, the next thing is fillet edge. That means you want to apply fillet to an edge. You just have to go here, just select fillet, and then you can use radius. Then just key in the radius that you want for the fillet. Let's say I choose 30 and then select this edge. Okay. Enter. So the 30 radius of edge fillet already applied to this edge. Okay. Same like chamfer, you just drop down the fillet menu, go chamfer, and can specify the distance. So let's say the distance that I want is 50. This is the distance one. And distance 2. Hold on, I admit. All right, welcome to participant who just joined. Thank you so much. All right, then continue with the chamfer distance. All right, so distance 1, I will apply 50, enter, and then distance 2, I will apply 30, enter. So select an edge. So let's say I select this edge, like that, enter. It will become like that. All right, for extrude faces, that means you want to extrude from this face. So just go usual and then choose the face you want to extrude. Enter. Extrude, enter. So basically, that is about 3D modeling, that the basic 3D modeling that you should know. Okay, so let's proceed to the exercise that we can apply all that we have learned just now. So for new, this is the, hold on, let's get this one. Okay, we're going to make a screw, which I already have the 2D drawing of it. It is the the sketch for the screw. So we have this one is the top part of the screw. So first one, I need to use Loft. So just go Loft here at this one, choose Loft, and then select this circle and this circle. Enter. Enter. Right. So now, I need to do extrude to extrude this one. So just use extrude and then select this line. This one change to 2D wireframe for us easier to see. And then go to extrude, choose this one, the inner circle, enter, and then just go until here. Right. So now has become the right. Okay, next, when I change to shaded, you can see the screw without the screw without the sharp pipe. Never mind, because I'm going to teach you how to make the helix pipe. Okay. To make the helix pipe, just this one, change to 2D wireframe first, and then just create helix. Go to home here, and then choose helix. Go to here, and then choose this one as the base radius, and then as the top radius, this one too, right? And then just I want to make the turns become 28. Let's see, 28. Enter. So next, I'll just make it until here, right? So the next thing is I'm going to make because we want to make the sweep for this one. So we have to create the shape for the helix. So I'm going to change the plane to right first, and then can draw with rectangle. With this one is 0.5. The width is 0.3. Like this. And then the command line to make this triangle. And then we can trim others. Enter. Okay, then I just want to copy it as the backup. Okay. This. Okay, now I'm going to change this one to world back, and then go to sweep command. Sweep, and then select object to sweep. This is the object that I want to sweep. Oh, I want to join this shape first, join, and then you sweep. Select object to sweep, enter, and then select this path. Okay. Just wait for it. So we can see it become like this. Okay, this is not what we want, so we have to change the direction of this triangle. So go back, and then this one I try to move to here. Move this one. I off auto mode first. Then go to here. Okay. As you can see, this is because I want the sharp one facing upward, facing out. So we can change the direction. Can use rotate, RO, enter. This is the base point. And I on auto mode. Easier for us to change. Okay. Like this. And then go to home, make sure this one is world, and then can try again for the sweep method, for the sweep step. Click and then select object, enter, select with sweep path. This is the path that I want. Now wait for it to process. Okay, like this. So to see it clearly, we can change the view to shaded with edges. You see, this is the screw with helix. So now, let's say I want to make the hole on top of the screw. So I will just change to top view first, and then make the circle inside it. Use this circle. I want to use the diameter, and then so let's say I go here with diameter of 5. And then I will make this line and this line. Enter. Then I'm going to offset the line. Specify the distance will be 0.5. Enter. So this is the object that I want to offset. So I'm going to offset here. Then do again for this side. Do for this side. And then do for this side. All right. And now I will trim all the lines that we don't want. Trim. This is not. We don't want this one. Then okay. Okay. Hold on. My PC is a bit lagging. Okay. Yeah. Here. And for this side too. Okay. And then the line inside. We don't want that. Okay. Almost done. All right. And then the next step is I will draw another circle with diameter of 2. And then create boundary. So pick the point here. And then now the boundary already created. Now I want to erase the one that I don't want. This one, enter first, erase, enter. So this is not, this is the one that we want to erase. So object, enter. Okay. Okay. Go to 3D view, move this circle, this boundary, move to downward with 2, enter. Like this. Now we are going to use Loft. Solid, go to Loft. So this part, hold on. This one need to join first. Join this one. Okay. When we join, then we can do Loft. Okay. This and this. Enter. All right. The next thing is we want to move this onto the top of the onto the top part of the screw. So I will change the view to 2D wireframe. It's easier to see, and then can move. Use this center. Put to this center. But now when you go to shaded, it will not create the the whole. So go to 2D wireframe back. Then we can use subtract. So we want to subtract this object to that one object. Okay, then enter. Okay. Now when I change to conceptual or shaded, so I'll try again. Subtract, select object, enter. Then select this object, enter. See? The whole already created. So basically, that is all about how to create screw from 2D drawing become 3D drawing. Okay, other things that I want to show you is how we're going to create a mark from this 2D drawing. So first of all, this one we can use extrude until 7. Okay. Now we're going to create circle on top of the pipe, and then create circle here with this one is the diameter is 2, this one 2.3. Enter. And then to solid and use press tool. Select this one until 6.5. Enter. Right. So if we want to see clearly, can go to shaded and or can go to conceptual. Yep. So you can see now. Okay, the next thing is we want to do the handle. So just use this one. Okay, I want to change to 2D wireframe first because it's easier for us to see, right? And then go to this one, align, 3D align, and then select objects. Hold on, this is not the object that I want to align because I need to make offset for the center of it. So just use offset. So offset distance is 0.5. Enter. Select object. So this one. Enter. All right. So now can use 3D align. Select this object. Enter. Now it asks us to specify source plane and orientation. So this is the source plane and orientation that I decided to choose. This one. And then enter. Can go to here until here. And the next thing is, next step is you have to choose which direction you want to create the handle. So I decided to choose here. Okay, select. All right. And then for the handle, we can use sweep. So the normal step, just go here, sweep, and then select this object, this object. All right, enter. Now select sweep path. This is the path. All right, so done for the mark. Can go to conceptual. All right. So basically, this is the other different view will help us to create the 3D drawing. All right, so far, that's all about our lesson for today. If you have any question, you can just drop the question to the chat box. All right. So we have learned how to do a screw, how to create mark, and these are the basic 3D modeling that people should know, because this is the one that people always use for 3D modeling. All right, if you have no questions, I will end our session here. Thank you so much for joining this free online lesson. If you want to rewatch this free online lesson, or you want to watch other free online lesson that has been recorded, you can go to our website. Just key in acadsystems.com, and this is our website. So when you scroll down, you can see that we are the Autodesk Gold Partner. That means we're not just sell the Autodesk product, but we provide support and also training. Scroll down a bit more. This is the latest promotion and news from our company about the product. And go down a bit, and this is the free online lesson that you can, if you're interested, you can just click and register. And then go to the bottom part. Here you can find our social media, Facebook and YouTube. So you can go to YouTube here, and it will straight away bring you to the acadsystems neighborhood channel, YouTube channel. And when you click videos, you can find all of our recorded free online lesson videos, and also other playlists. For example, the Learn Basic AutoCAD is all. This is the complete basic AutoCAD tutorial. All right, so if you have no questions, we'll just. All right, thank you. We'll just end here. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.